this is Andy from Nanlite and Nanlux, and the next one I'm gonna bring you guys to the new products and even some products that is not announced yet. And this is our brand new Evoke 2400B. Let's start from the power. So the Evoke 2400, as you can see, 2400 is actually as a 2400 watt input, which is more easier for gaffers or electricians to calculating the load of your circuit. And also, it's actually a bi-color light with green and magenta shift as well, which means you have the access to 2700 to 6500 Kelvin in bi-color, and also plus and minus 80 in green and magenta adjustment. And also what you have is actually from 0 to 100% in 0.1 increment for like all the brightness that you probably need. And then what you also have is IP55 rating for all the sets all the parts that you might need. And then later on it's going to be lumen radio building, lumen radio TMO 2, and then you got like DMX port and also Ethernet port for ARPANET and SACN protocol. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the size of the power supply, which is right here. And as you can see, like comparing to the 1200, like comparing to the 1200, it's actually pretty similar. So which means that actually the weight is not increased a lot, and the size is actually not increased a little, just increased a little bit as well. And next, I'm gonna bring you through the Pavoslim from Nanlite, which is slim, fast, lightweight, and bright. So it's actually combining two sections. One is bi-color section, and another one is RGB WW full color. So you have two sizes as well. Right now we have 1x1 and 2x1. So as it's actually going to be like 4 choices for you. Okay, then let's start from the product. So as you can see right here, it's actually a very lightweight panel, and it's very thin like this. It's actually very thin, and like combining with the softbox, it's actually like this thick. So which is very good for smaller space lighting. Another one is going to be its own metal housing. So because it's metal, so the heating thing is actually way much better for its passive cooling, and also the structure is very durable. So you can actually be confident to use it in any scenarios and don't worry about to damage it. For the bi-color version, we actually have a range of from 2700 to 6500 for it. And for the color version, we actually have 2700 to 7500 plus green and magenta adjustment as well. And another point is going to be regarding to the color version, we're actually building with lumen radio chip on it, which means it's going to be beneficial for the working professionals. So all in all, the products will be announced in November, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and just come on to the shop and also take a look, and also please give us feedback if you have any comments on it.